Hello everyone, welcome to the course Essential of Remote Sensing in GIS. In this section, we will discuss about the course and content of the course, also the importance of the course. So the course content are started from basic of remote sensing in GIS, which contained processing of satellite data, downloading of satellite data, editing vector, georeferencing vector, clipping the study area and clipping the satellite data with the study area, correcting the save file and other things. It all done with the free software QGIS, and lastly we have estimated the evapotranspiration in the forest region and estimation of crop water stress also discussed, and with the bonus lecture we will discuss about estimation of vegetation attributes. So why this course is important? First of all, we don't want to spend tens of thousands of dollars to the commercial software for remote sensing analysis. It will solve the remote sensing analysis task using real geographical data and spatial data. So who this course is for? First of all, people with prior experience of working with remote sensing data, and people with no experience of remote sensing data also get benefit from it, and also it is useful for GIS analysts, ecologists, forest and conservation practitioners, geographers, geologists, and also it is important for environmental studies. So thank you all of you. Stay tuned for my next lecture.